Hey guys, this is just some aftermath of the thunderstorm that just went through. Hail there, lots of water there. Still some lightning. Rain there. Still apparent tornado watch. Ooh, and that cloud. Look at that. Beautiful. I saw this storm coming in. I didn't know how big it was. Apparently, that's about it though. Back there, nothing. Got some clouds. Oh, it looks like it's chilling out now. Usually you can see a building about there. You can see a building. You can't see it from the camera, at least, or barely can see it. Yeah, but other than that, aftermath over there isn't as pleasant either. Lots of water. There's probably gonna be a lot of flooding down there. Anyways, stay orange. I'm fine, and I'm gonna upload the video tomorrow. If there's no thunderstorms. Enjoy your night. I decided to do a dual up video. That cloud is scary. I don't like how it's kind of moving. I think I might be watching a tornado form. No, I'm just watching the storm move. That's actually going a lot faster than I like it, but like started like there and now it's there. That's like a couple of kilometers. It's going like 30, 40, 60 kilometers per hour. Yeah, I would say about 60. The way that it's moving. I don't like how these clouds are moving. I hate this. But I especially hate... Where is it? Those two clouds above that one building. That does not look good. They're morphing into one. Oh, it looks like that water's gone. Just not down there. Yeah, I don't like how those clouds are moving. If there's any tornadoes, if I see any tornadoes from here, I will update you. For now, stay orange and everything. If there's anything else that happens that's interesting, I will update you. Oh, that's just water. What is that? That's a sinkhole forming over there. That's not good. Sorry. Sinkhole seems to be forming over there. I don't like that. Anyways, once again, stay orange. I keep on sidetracking myself. Stay orange, enjoy your night. And if there's anything else that happens tonight, I will update you. Oh my god, those clouds.